So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Till now we have seen a lot of AI tools and we have implemented them using our PC and also some apps. But have you imagined that you can use AI directly in your WhatsApp chats? You can make AI generated images and directly send them to your chat, making it more better than using it for stickers or emoji or anything. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. And before doing that, I just want you to know that we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. More details are there ahead in the video, but the link is in the description and I'll discuss more about it later on. But let's continue the video now.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
To do these kind of things, you just need to go on your app store and you need to search for Microsoft AI keyboard. So once you do that, so if you see there is this Microsoft Swift key AI keyboard where if you see there are some images like new being in Swift key, learning your writing styles, fast and accurate, and it can give you every prediction, that is because it's powered internally by ChatGPT 4 and it can compose, rewrite your options, and just double click to install and it will install on your phone. There are various different color themes too, and while guys this is downloading, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays you all might know that a lot of people have been laid off because AI has taken over the world and a lot of people have lost their jobs too. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now, and let's continue the video now. Now if you see that the app is already downloaded, just click on open and just click on get started, and now you just need to sign up. So you can sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or sign up with Apple or anything. So I'll just use Google option and I'll add my ID to it. Just give it the permissions what it requires. So it's asking that do you want to share the data to improve the Microsoft. So guys, you can do that because we all know that AI is in its developing stage and every company wants that they should get the right customer feedback. So if you are using an app, I recommend you that you should give the feedback, and it also helps you because in future if the company sees your feedback, they might improve on that and it will help you because if you faced a problem in that. So it's giving you some options like to how to enable the Swift key, like go to settings, open the Swift key, and you can just directly click on take me there, and here over here you just click on keyboards and just turn on Swift key and click on allow full access. And once you do that, come back here to finish the installation and now tap on hold the global key below. And guys, now once you have selected and given it the full access, now it will tell you how to do everything because it gives a whole tutorial. You just need to select this globe button and click on this Swift key. And now if you see, you can try your keyboard and you can write anything like hi, how are you. It's see, if you see, it's already predicting that what I would write, like how are you doing or going or anything. So guys, if you see over here, there are various different themes that you can select. Just click on themes, and if you see this is the default one, then there is this nickel, then there is this animal, oxygen, cog, zigzag. Anyone you can select that is, then there is this minimal, and also there are other, if you want you can select them, and there are also different languages that you can add. There is also Assamese, English, and there, like if I can download English. So if you see, once I go on English it would be, so once if I have downloaded English, let's see what the changes that occur. And now if I write main ja raha tha, so now it's also giving me suggestions about when I am writing it in English, any sentence. So it's working with the same thing, that it would be giving you suggestions based on the AI. So now if you go on GIF, so you can also use GIF, and I'll write like hi. So there are various different GIFs that are available for us. Hello, hi, you can send that. So there's this Sinchan. So now once it has been copied from, from there, so you just need to paste it. And now if you see, the Shinchan GIF would be sent to a person to whomever you are talking. And now there's this clipboard option also, so you can keep so here you can see what are the copied items that are there on the keyboard. And also there is this translator option where it would detect the language and it would change it to any language that ever you like, whatever language you want. And also there are some tips and tricks that it would show you, like whatever you can do, number row, clean up your messages and everything. And then there are various different options like create emojis, camera. You can also create memes through that. So once if I go to create, so to create that you need to have a Microsoft account. So if you don't have one, you need to create one. I do have one, so I'll be using that. So guys, now if you see, it has connected me to my Microsoft account too. And now if I go on the keyboards, so now if I go and click on, so now if I go and click on GIF, and now then I click on the create, it just asking like describe the image you would like to create, and it's showing that create artworks from what you like to do, what you would like to create above, and it's powered by Dialog. We can write a prompt like just we sent an image like Shinchan is saying hello. I'll say Shinchan saying Shinchan waving and saying how are you. So let's see what is the result that we get. Now if you see, there is this beautiful Shinchan image that says how are you, and now you can just copy it and directly paste it over here. And if you see, the image would be copied and it would be sent to the person to whom you're talking, and he can directly see that image. And it's so amazing that while doing the chat you have created an image and that is unique, and you have created an image on your own and just using a prompt. So these are the various different options that you can do, and I guess it would be much better than whatever if you use some memes or gifs that you can use. Or also in the gif option you can also see that there are some trending options and also the various different prompts that are like normally used: shocked, hungry, scared or sad. Like you can use this to say that you are hungry, so just paste it over there. It will show you that I need food. And guys, that is it for this video, and this is how you can use, so guys, this is how you can use Swift AI keyboard. And guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like. Also drop a comments if you have any doubts, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and I will see in the next video. Until then, do remember we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and do check that out. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.